Alright guys, what is up? In this clip, or I don't know, I guess video, yeah, we're gonna be doing a grip oil steering wheel install on the car. I just gotta go run to Home Depot really quick and grab some torque sets because all my tools are stolen. Woohoo! Yeah, party. So no. Anyways, good mood today. We're gonna have some fun with this shit. Reason for doing it, I have SRS light on already. I think the dude already had a steering wheel because horn does not work at all, and I have a horn button. So I'm gonna try and actually, hopefully fix that. I want a horn, like an actual fucking functional horn in this car. That'd be cool. This horn works, but I want something that, come on, fucking lives. But anyways, alright, so yeah, we're gonna do the steering wheel. I just gotta run to Home Depot really quick, grab that shit, and then, yeah, we'll be good to go. So cool, on it up, boom, boop. Alright, got the torque bits. Just gotta go run and grab mice for my snake, and then I'll meet you guys back at the garage. Alright, so first I'm gonna disconnect the negative terminal battery so this thing does not blow off in my face. Clip. This guy gets removed. Now let's remove these little tabs, which I can do them by hand on the sides, each side, and it's a Torx. Let's see, let's plug this into said journal. Oh, that fell. Airbag is gone. Done.
This is a Chuki beat production.
What is up? Next day. Steering wheel is installed, as you can see. I like it a lot. It's pretty sick. A little smaller than what I thought. I have the 330mm GT. I was gonna get the 350, but they were out of stock. I wanted to get the Night. They were out of stock for like shit 3 weeks, so I just said screw it. I wanted the perforated leather, which is actually, I like it a lot more now. At first the pictures kind of deteriorated me, but I was like, whatever, we'll try it. I'm happy with it. It's pretty sick. So yeah, let me go around. Quick release is nice and sturdy. There's no play in this thing at all. I saw some people saying the slim quick release hub was having a little bit of slop and play. The 2.5 does not. I like it. I just went with all black just to keep it just clean and simple. Yeah, so perforated leather, GT, grip royal steering wheel. I approve. Try these, where are you? Well, bang. I'm gonna try this shit. Cotton candy, of course. What else can I try? Fuck, that is delicious. Dude, this tastes like fucking straight cotton candy.
I might take off on you peons and go where the Venus. I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm on walking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking more rock shorter than I feel it seeing. I'm in Uranus right now, I think I seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cellar, am I dreaming? Say I ain't dead.